Hello, yes, I am Prasanna. I am here to teach you knowing our numbers of class 6. Here, in our daily life, we use numbers in many ways like comparing numbers and increasing order, comparing, decreasing order, add, subtract. Now first we will deal with comparison of numbers depends upon two things. So in that first one is number of digits, based on number of digits, and second one is place value of the digits. Now first we will discuss how to use number of digits here. Number of digits. For example, suppose I have to compare 4, 6, 8, 7 with 4, 4, 6, 4, 5. So here first we should count the number of digits. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 digits are there. Coming to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Here 4 digits, here 5 digits. Right? Next, in this, which number of digits, in which number the number of digits are more? Here. So we can compare and easily we can say that this number is greater than this number. Is it clear? Now coming to second one. Now first, comparison of numbers depends on two things. In that first one, number of digits. Second one is place value of digits. First we will discuss number of digits. Number of digits. Here I will take one example. For example, 4, 6, 8, 5 and 5, 4, 6, 7, 8 for example. Now first we should count the number of digits in each number. Here how many digits are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Coming to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. Here the number having more digits is greater one and the number having less digits is the smaller one. Once again I am saying the number having more digits is greater one and number having less number of digits is smaller one. So we can say clearly that 5, 4, 6, 7, 8 is greater than 4, 6, 8, 5 because the number of digits in this number is more. Or we can write 4, 6, 8, 5 is less than 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. And you people know this is the greater than symbol and this is the lesser than symbol. Is it clear everyone? Now coming to second one, place value of digits. Second one, place value of digits. Here I will take one example. Right? Suppose 3, 4, 8, 9, 5 and 5, 2, 7, 8, 1. In this we have to compare. Now if these two numbers having same number of digits. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 digits. Then what we should do if the numbers having same number of digits? Okay. First we should compare the digits of these two numbers from the leftmost place. Means from here left side. And first we should compare this one. For example, here 3 and here it is 5. Which is greater? 5 is greater. So we can say this number is greater. Is it clear? For one more example I will take. 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 9, 7, 8, 1 and we should compare here, right? Here first count the number of digits here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits are there. Coming to here also 5 digits. So first we should compare the leftmost value. Here what is the value here? 4. What is the value here? 4. And they are equal. They are equal. Is it clear? Then compare the next place value. Compare the next place value. What is here? 6. Here what is there? 9. Which is greater? 9 is greater. So the number having greater digit is here greater. Is it clear everyone? So which is greater one? This is a greater one. Now next, ordering of numbers. Here arranging numbers in ascending order and descending order is called ordering of numbers. You know what is ascending order? Ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement of numbers from smaller to greater. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40. These are in ascending order. Coming to descending order. Descending order. Arranging the numbers from greater to smaller is called descending order. For example, 80, 70, 60, 50. They are in descending order. So, arrangement of numbers in ascending order and descending order is known as ordering of numbers. Next, formation of numbers using digits. Here, form the greatest and the smallest number using the digits 8, 2, 3, 7. They are asking you to write the greatest and the smallest number using with these 4 digits. So, first we will write greatest number. Greatest number with this digits. Okay, to form the greatest number, the largest digit should be placed at the leftmost value. Here, which is the largest number here? 8. Next largest number is 7. Next one is 3. Next one is 2. This is the largest number formed. Now coming to smallest number. How to form a smallest number? Here to form the smallest number, the smallest digit should be placed at the leftmost value. Which is smallest here? 2 is the smallest. Next 3. Next 7. Next 8. This is the smallest number. For example, another digits will take. One more example will take with 0. We'll take one more example with 0 like 7, 0, 3, 2. How to write greatest number here with these numbers? Greatest number. Which is the greatest here? 7. 7. Next 7 after 3. Next 2. Next 0. This is the greatest number. Then how to write smallest number? Which is the smallest here? 0. But 0 should not write first, because if you write 0 first, it will become only 3-digit number. So 0 after, next which is the smallest number? 2. 2 after 0. Then 3, 7. This is the answer. So smallest number is 2037. When 0 is there, you should not write 0 in the leftmost first place at the left side. Because if you write 0, 2, 3, 7, it will become only 237. That is, here they are asking you to write the 4-digit number. So here 2037 is the answer. Clear? Next, I am going to discuss exercise 1.1 children. In that, first bit is easy. In that question, which is greatest and the smallest among the numbers, that is easy only. Next one is ascending order. That is easy. Descending order you can do because you done in earlier classes also. And coming to next, which is greater, which is less than, that you can do. Next, write the number name in words. Number name you can write. Next, number in figures. These all are easy bits, children. You can do easily because you have done in earlier classes also. Now I want to discuss one different question, that is form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 3, 7 and find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. Here they did not ask you to write just a greater number and a smaller number with the digits. They are asking form 4-digit numbers. So here I am going to explain how to write all possible 4-digit numbers using the digits 4, 0, 3, 7. So we will go in an order, children, so that we cannot miss any number. Coming to here, first, okay, 4, 0, 3, 7 I write. So here 4 is in thousands place, 0 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. Now here I will write with 4 in thousand place, how many possible numbers I can write using these digits I will write first. So 4 I will write as it is, 0 in 100 place as it is, 37, here I will interchange 73. Is it clear, children? 4 in 1000 place, 0 is 100 place, but these two numbers are interchanged. Now coming to next 4 in 1000 place, 0, okay, over. Next you take another number, 3, 0, 7. Here 3 is in hundreds place. Now 4, 3, 7, 0. Here I interchange these two numbers. 2 times it's possible. Next 4 in 1000 place, 0 completed in 100 place, 3 completed in 100 place. Next which number is there, children? 7. 4, 7, 0, 3. 730. So with the 4 in thousand place, we wrote all the possible numbers here. Coming to another one, we will take next number. See, 0 we can't write in thousands place, because if I write 0 in thousand place, it becomes 3-digit number. So I will take another number here, 3407. Now I took 3 in thousands place, 4 in hundred place, 0 in tens place, 7 is ones place. So again 3, 4, 0, 7, I will write 7, 0. Now 3 in thousand place, 4 2 times completed in hundred place. Take another number now, 30, 4. Now 3047. Next 4 completed 2 times in 100 place, 0 completed for 2 times in 100 place. Next which number is left over, children? 7. So 3740. Next 3704. So I completed here, keeping 3 in the thousands place. Now coming 4 completed, 3 completed in thousands place. Next keep 7 in the thousands place. Now 7403. 7403. Now 7 in thousands place, 4 as it is in hundreds place, 03 I will keep as 30. Next 4 completed in hundreds place 2 times. Next take another number, 7340. Now 7304. Now 3 completed 2 times in 100 place. Next 7, 4 completed, 3 completed, 0 left over. 7043. Next 7034. So these many numbers we can write using this number here, children. Now coming to here, from this we should write greatest and the smallest among them. And you know which is the greatest number using the digits. No need to find from them. You write, just now I discussed 4037. Greatest number means we should first write greater number. Which is greater number here? 7. Next 7 after which is greater? 4. Next 3. Next 0. This is the greatest number. And which is the smallest number? 0 I should not write first, because if I write 0 first, it will become 3-digit number. So first, next after 0, which is small? 3. 3047. This is the smallest number formed using this 4 digits. We can find that 7430 here, children. 7 in thousands place. Which one? 7430. This is the greatest number. And 3047. This is the smallest number. Is it clear, children? It's a very interesting. Suppose if 0 is not here, then you will get 6 more numbers here. Here because of 0 here we got only 18 different numbers. But if instead of 0, if you are having another number, you will get total 24 different numbers using the digits. Is it clear, children? Next, 8th question. Write the smallest 4-digit number. You know, smallest 4-digit number, smallest number includes only 1 and 0. We can't write 0 first because it has no value if you write 0 first. Right? Next, the smallest 4-digit number means 1 after 3 zeros. If you count the number of digits, how many digits are there, children? 4. And it is the smallest 4-digit number. Next, the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest number will always contain 9 digits. So, 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Next, the smallest 5-digit number. 1 after 4 zeros is the smallest 5-digit number, and the greatest 5-digit number is nothing but 99,999. So by this we completed exercise 1.1.